Okay, so this is the new actuator. I'm going to insert, trying to make sure you can see this, insert the rod first in this hole right here, and then I'm going to press this down over so now it snaps in place. And then let me scoot up here. My workspace is not very organized because we've had to do so many different things to tweak the problems. Okay, so I'm pretty sure the little turning mechanism is on the far side. Yeah. Okay, and this gets plugged into here. So I'm gonna try to do this. I'm sorry about the bad angle. Let me see if I can position it so at least you're seeing something. Okay, click. I think you might have heard that. Okay, now let me see if I can. I'm probably gonna end up totally being in the way. See, my hands are getting a little greasy. They're a lot greasier when I was removing the door panel. Okay. So using our little screwdriver, and this looks, oops, where'd the tip go? Messy workspace. Okay. So this looks all fancy schmancy, but it's not charged. We lost the charger a long time ago, so we're just using it as a screwdriver. Oh, gotta pull up my sleeve. Okay. So, putting the star screw on here, I'm going to be putting this little hole on the actuator in line back through here. I'm going to get in the camera's way for a moment. Okay, hold on. This is not very easy. It's at a slight angle. Okay, I'm going to pause the camera.